Hello dear friends, welcome back. In our previous lecture we had discussed about piriformis muscle which is present in your gluteal region. Now let us discuss about quadratus femoris muscle. Quadratus femoris means it is a little bit quadrangular muscle. It is present in your femur region, that's why we call it quadratus femoris muscle, and it is also located in your gluteal region, right? So quadratus femoris is a paired rectangular muscle of the gluteal region. Paired rectangular means it is paired 2 in number and it is rectangular in shape, right? It is a part of the group of the muscles known as the lateral or external rotators of the thigh. External rotators of the thigh, okay? Whenever they will contract, your thigh will move externally, not internal movement. It will cause external movement, right? What is its shape? Its shape is rectangular. Okay, we know it is rectangular in shape. From where does it get its origin? It gets its origin from the ischial tuberosity, right? This is ischium bone and this is the ischial tuberosity, so it gets its origin here and it inserts into the intertrochanteric crest of the femur. Intertrochanteric, between two trochanters there is a crest which is called intertrochanteric crest. And in that crest, the quadratus femoris muscle will insert. What are its actions? It causes the thigh external rotation, yes, and stabilizes the head of the femur in the acetabulum, okay. Its blood supply comes from the inferior pudendal artery, and its innervation nerve to quadratus femoris, which comes from the L4, L5 and S1 branches, right? So friends, this was the detail of the quadratus femoris muscle. You can find all of what we have said here in these diagrams. Okay. So friends, if any one of you want the PDF of these notes, we can provide you the PDF also. Do comment to us. We will provide you these notes, inshallah, right? So see you in the next lecture. We will discuss the remaining two muscles which are called the inferior and superior gemelli muscles. See you guys there.